Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. This video is a mixture of everything that happened in the past few days. But firstly, we're sitting in the RSX, and you guys already know that in my previous video I was having trouble tightening the coilovers on the passenger wheels. So a few days ago I got the right tools that I ordered and I was able to tighten them, and here's a few clips on that part. Alright guys, so the spanner set that I ordered from Amazon have arrived. So this set was about 20 bucks, and they literally sent me the entire sizes for different coilovers. I do not know if it will actually fit, but this is the biggest size that they have. I'm hoping that this will fit all three coilovers that I have right now. One thing that I like is that they actually feel pretty heavy and they feel like it's good quality, and it won't really break. About to jack the car up and let's take a look. And you can already see all the scratches that I made from my previous tool that I tried to use. Okay, so that is tight. Use this size. I don't know what size this is. Is this the size ER40? I guess if it's the Godspeed ones. So this is tight. It doesn't move at all. So let's just put the wheel back on and go for another drive and see if the car is fine. Alright, so we're probably gonna go out, do a quick little test and see if the car is fine now. I'm crossing my fingers, because if not, then I won't know what the issue is. Just because now the coilovers are actually tight and the wheel doesn't move on a 3 to 9 position. Either way, I'm gonna have to buy a brand new set of coilovers and a whole lot of suspension parts to make sure that the noise goes away. So the car feels a lot better, but there's like a slight hint of noise over there. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, it's like a little. I don't know what it could be. Let's see if I can downshift to a second. The car is definitely a lot better than how it was. Still a little bit of noise, but it's not as bad as how it was before. So now I'm kind of curious. Maybe it could be something else. Maybe it could be an axle. And the second part of this video, I was at a parking lot a couple days ago at Walmart, and I came back and somebody keyed my car. I was very sad, I was very angry at the same time. I did a little bit of recording just on my iPhone for insurance purposes. I didn't really have this camera on me that time. I was just like, what's going on? Because like the way that the key marks were on the car felt like somebody did it on purpose. And the scratch that they made, it does look very deep. It seems like it's gone through the paint to the bare metal. So I don't know how much it's gonna be to fix that. I'm hoping it's not a lot, but I'm probably gonna run it through insurance and see how much I get. But yeah, I'll just roll the clip. Can you guys hear that? Okay, I think the noise is coming back from the coilovers. I think the coilovers are not good. I don't know. But I'll just roll the clip. You guys can just take a look. Alright, so I'm coming from Walmart and I see scratches. You guys see this? It goes from there and all the way right there. Definitely a key. Kind of upset. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. It goes from there all the way to there. And god damn it. Fuck this, man. This is why I don't take out nice cars, to be honest. Can't be trusting parking lots. I'm very upset. I'm very mad. This is hella deep too, like look at this shit. Bruh. Yeah, as you guys saw from those clips, it looks kind of bad. I don't know much about scratches and I don't know how deep the scratch is. I just gotta do a little bit more research and see if it's repairable. I do know that people sell those paint pens where like you can just put on top and it matches your color. I don't know how well that will do for this. I don't know what intentions people have, and I don't know what kind of person will do this to somebody else's car. This is my first time dealing with something like this, so I'm definitely gonna take a look. It's only been like a few days since this happened, honestly, and this is why a lot of people say to have a beater car as a daily, because you just never know. Things like this always happens in public. I'm lucky enough that this is just a key, a scratch on the paint, even though it's big. But some people get hit and run every single day, and I feel very bad for those people because it's not even their fault. I'm not saying this is a very nice car, but it's better to have something that's a lot cheaper. The best example for that is like my Toyota Avalon. It's clean. I try keeping it super nice, but if at the end of the day if something happens to that car, I wouldn't be too devastated with it, just because it's not as rare as something like this car. That car is a lot easier to replace, and like I said, it could have been worse, but thank God it wasn't. I'm still grateful. It sounds good though. I can still hear the coilovers. I need new ones. Okay, let's take another look at it. You can definitely see a lot more now because the sun's not shining on it, and you guys can see how big it is. Like I said, it goes from all the way here to all the way there and all the way there. This is pretty crazy, and it comes on to my fucking hood as well. The reason why I'm even more upset is because the paint on this car is amazing. Like, there's not even one scratch on the entire fucking car. So just to have this entire fucking line going all the way around kind of pissed me off even more. Like, it has to be on the fucking driver's side, right? There we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also wanted to tell you guys that I am leaving out of this country for 2 weeks. It's kind of like a vacation. I most likely will record everything. I won't post it until I come back. So I'm sorry if you guys don't get any more posts, and I'll be back to fixing these car problems.